Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If you want to change your Roblox account location, you should know something important first. Roblox does not allow users to change their account location manually from settings. Because of this, the only way to update the location is by contacting Roblox support. Now let me show you how to do it. First, open Chrome on your phone or computer. In the search bar, type Roblox Contact Support. Open the official Roblox support result. Once the page opens, look for the search box. Type account location in the search box and open the account location help article. Now scroll down on the page. You will see an option that says Need more help? Contact support here. Click on this option. A support form will now appear. Here you need to fill out the form with your account details. Enter your Roblox username. Then enter your email address and confirm the same email again. Next, choose the device type you normally use to play Roblox. Under the Help category, select How to. Then select the subcategory How to change my location. In the description box, explain that your Roblox account location is incorrect and you want it updated. After filling out the form, submit your request. Roblox support will review your request and usually respond by email within a few days. That is how you change your Roblox account location through Roblox support. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro for more Roblox troubleshooting tutorials.